I want to know which one burns longer too. You know what? That's a good idea. Let's do a test, all right? Let's take the eucalyptus and we'll take the black bag and we'll see which one burns longer in a big green egg. Great idea. Let's do this. Yep, I like this idea because we get asked all the time which one of our charcoals burns the longest, which one burns the hottest. Well, today, he just had a great idea. We're going to find out which one of these burns the hottest. We're going to take 1 pound of eucalyptus. We're going to take 1 pound of our black bag. We're going to put it in one of these baskets each, okay? Each one into a basket and find out. We're going to light them the same, put them in the same egg, find out exactly which one burns the longest. Before we can get started that though, I need you to do me one favor. One favor, that's all, maybe two. Subscribe. Hit this little banner up here. Give us a subscribe to the channel. Let us know that you're here, okay? Give us a like. See the thumbs up right here? You see the thumbs up? It's right below here. Just give us a thumbs up real quick, and that's all it takes. We really appreciate it. We work hard for these videos. We'd love to know that you're here. So anyway, let's get started. We're going to get these charcoal lit and see just how long it burns. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this scale. This is my kitchen scale. It's calibrated to the ounce. It's really accurate. We're going to fill these baskets up with each different charcoal. We're going to put them into the egg, and we're going to see which one, like I said, burns the longest. We're going to light them the same exact way. But I want to make sure that we're doing this, so we're going to start by zeroing out our scale, putting this on here. Let's load it up with charcoal. Just so there's no confusion, I'm pouring right out of the bag, okay? Here we go. Let's fill this basket up. Whoop, we went a little bit over. All right. Let's take some of this out of here now. Take that out, brings us to 1.4, brings us to 1.2. We're getting there, we're getting there. Whoop. And I think that. 1.09, 1.06, there. That's a basket of charcoal. That was premium. Now we're gonna get some eucalyptus. Hey, can your charcoal do this? One hand, string, open, no problem. We're gonna fill the second basket now, so we'll fill it with eucalyptus this time. Okay, you see? All right, we're gonna take some of this out. We don't need whole entire trees in here. I think that will kind of skew our entire process here. So there we go, 1.07. We got it, 1 pound. Don't mind the rest of the mess. We're just worrying about what's in the basket, okay? You know, I don't even care that I made a complete mess over there with all this charcoal. It doesn't matter. We got our 1 pound in each one. I'm going to throw this in here and show you why FOGO Charcoal is the best charcoal. So, our eucalyptus on the right, we're going to use our regular black bag premium on the left, and we're going to light it with nothing but the best FOGO Charcoal starters. Put 1 starter in each corner because we're going to burn it from both sides and just see how quickly we can get this to burn. All right? And yeah, we're going to light it with the torch too. We sell this on our website also. It is from FOGO. The link is in the description. Let's light this charcoal up, shall we? Number 1. I think that should work. Number 2. I'm on fire! Okay, so we got our starters going, so we're going to spread it out a little bit, make sure this charcoal all gets lit. Okay? This charcoal is just like us, it's getting lit. So what we're going to do, we're going to set the big green egg vents to about 300 degrees. All right, that should probably be about 300 there with the top fully open. That's how I like to do it, with the top fully open, okay? So we're going to burn this because we're going to find out once and for all which one burns the longest at 300 degrees, even cooking. Yeah, so what? I made a mess. I don't care. I'm not going to clean it up. I'm just kidding. Lynn will kill me. We better clean this up before she gets home. I can't wait to see how this comes out. Yeah, and I started a stopwatch. I want to know how long it cooks for so we can tell which one's the best charcoal ever. FOGO Charcoal. We are 1 hour and 10 minutes into it and still burning strong. Check it out. 300 degrees. And holding steady. Almost 2 hours and 15 minutes in, we're still burning. Now, it dropped from 300 down to about 280 degrees, but Let's take a look and see what we got inside. Still burning. We still got life left. Again, this is our Black Bag Premium. This is our Eucalyptus. All right, kids, we're 3 hours and 2 minutes into this thing now. The temperature's actually starting to drop a little bit. There's a little bit of charcoal left here. You can still see a little bit of black, but it's mostly burned down. The temperature's just going to continue to drop, but it's starting to get dark out. I'm tired. We need to wrap this thing up. So, I think that we can see here that they both really burned about the same. There's about the same amount of each charcoal left in each one. So this is the Black Bag Premium on the right side, and that was the Eucalyptus on the left side. So if you're wondering, they both seem to burn about the same time. We kept it steady at 300 degrees. Right now the temperature's dropped down to 250, so that's how we know the number of coals. As the coals burn down, there's less heat, less fire, so it's going to drop the temperature. So it's still burning. Who knows how long this thing's going to go for? At least another hour, I'm sure. But we're going to call this right here now. So we're going to call it 3 hours, and we're done. I want to thank you so much for tuning in for this. I hope that you answered some good questions for you. I've been curious to see how long this stuff will burn for. I didn't want to just burn a whole entire egg full because we'd be here. I've literally cooked on my XL for over 24 hours and still had charcoal left. But we were curious to see how much 1 pound would burn for. Kind of interesting experiment if you ask me. Try it at home, see what you come up with. I'd like to know if you see the same things that we saw. But in the meantime, before we go here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, share this with your friends, tell them about it, let them know how great FOGO Charcoal is, baby. And listen, don't forget, get out and grill. It's important. See you next time on the FOGO Life.